The training was to become a machinist on semiconductor mold and die. I was assigned to the PG, which was Profile Grinding Department. PG department established for all purpose to ensure the mold and die product for semiconductor and semiconductor industries was grind in fine details with small micron tolerance. In my main task, I must assist the machinist team to maintain PG department product, which is vital for the company reputation, as product should be precise in measurement, which was in micron reading with good tolerance. PG department will be the last department in finishing manufacturing product. Grinding can be carried out in reciprocating grinding and creep feed grinding. The grinding wheel is dressed for the profile to be produced. The profile at the grinding wheel can be produced by using different methods. The most frequent methods are profile roll, forming rolls, and profile diamonds. The PG department at my company uses profile diamonds. In the early semester, I was chosen to learn and observe the machinist that works at the PG department. The machinists were told to teach me Mitutoyo dial indicator. The dial indicator basically is an instrument that used to indicate the round out, or also known as misalignment of the workpiece, as with the aim to reduce it to an accurate small range using small jig and fixture adjustment. For this middle semester, I learned to read semiconductor mold and die engineering drawing. The technical drawing was used to convey information about a product. It specified the geometry necessary for a construction. When the workpiece in the last stage before submit to supervisor, the workpiece should be observed using Nikon MM800 as to know whether the workpiece is faulty or run out of dimension. In the end of semester, I can operate PTV PFS30 machine. In the early of morning, normally I will grind the test piece to improve the tolerance for diamond wheel. This is what we call warm-up period. Depends on the situation, most probably is around 2 hours. Two types of jobs. The first job is the first side job and second side job. Each job has its own G-code programming. Different workpiece and tasks have its own G-code. As the G-code is a software programming language to control a CNC machine, a G followed by a number, which is command to change the geometry. To understand the machine operation, the control panel of Siemens C-numeric plays an important role in machine operation, as it consists of 65 push button, selector switch, and soft key as well. C-numeric was a series of Siemens CNC computer numeric control system. They also monitor display all the information, as it contains of G-code, mostly wide use computer numerical control programming language. On top of the machine have X and Y table controller, and in the middle of the machine got hand wheel which control the radius and contour, which it currently malfunction for the radius and contour. A workpiece is a piece often made of a single material that is being processed into another desired shape. The workpiece is usually a piece of relative rigid material, such as it uses carbide. As I neared the end of my training, I began accepted into the PG department as its grand honor because the PG department is one of the hardest machinist department. The PG department demand high demand for technical skills, practical hands-on knowledge, and years of experience, as it is still difficult for young machinists to break through.